Hey everyone, so we were going to go to Scotland and do a trip up there, but the weather looked atrocious. So we've come to Newquay instead, which is in the south of the UK, only about 3 hours away from where we live. It's beautiful, it's absolutely magnificent. Drone in a box, Vicky on the camera, let's go have some fun. So, a bit of a knack to this. There we go. Quick spin, shake it down to one side. Let's pop the lid. Oh, there we go. Just starting to get a little bit of a... I wonder if the cheese is melting inside. Ooh! Looks like it's all starting to kick off in there. Lovely. Did you say it smells good, honey?
Yeah. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, everybody. Ah, beautiful morning. I say morning, it's 20 past 10. We woke up at 9 o'clock. All the blackout in the van, it's absolutely magnificent. Beautiful day outside. Sun is shining. It's October the 23rd. So it's a little bit chilly outside, about 10 degrees. But the sun is shining. We've got an electric heater in the van. We've got a full kitchen in the van. The bed is amazingly comfortable. We're going to show you around the van today, just share with you some of the things that we've learnt. We're not rough camping. We have got ourselves booked into a campsite with electric hookup and that kind of stuff. We've got a very remedial electric hookup system, which I'm sure you're going to laugh at. Vicky hasn't painted her eyebrows or done her makeup yet, have you, honey? So she really doesn't want to be on the camera. Oh, say hello. Say 大家好.
大家好.
Love you.
Me too.
Alright, enjoy the video. And sorry for broadcasting to you guys from bed. But yeah, this is quite cool. So one of the troubles we have, if the bed is down and you want to either access the storage boxes or, more specifically, this cupboard here where the Ridgemonkey exists. There it is. Yeah, so in order to gain access to that, you need to shove your wife up in the corner and then you can adjust the seat. Right, cheese on toast with the Ridgemonkey. Here it comes. Anyone seen a Ridgemonkey before? They're quite cool. Basically, they give you the little handles here. You can get those handles. Oops, and just fasten them in. And then inside there's a whole bunch of tools. Anyway, yeah, so a couple of little magnets there which keep all that together. And so in here then you can put sausages, bacon, egg, whatever, and you get the ability, oops, to be able to flip it over like that. So if you're cooking oven chips, which is a personal favourite of mine, in this you can just flip it over. Yeah, it's just like a little oven. You just got to keep it on a really low heat. Anyway, cheese on toast and a Ridgemonkey. Here we go. The fridge. From whence came the cheese and the milk and many other things. Loving this fridge. Absolutely epic. And it keeps frozen things frozen. Here, frozen chips. Awesome. Okay, in this little hatch, we have plates, knives, hopefully bread. Yeah, bread in there. Cleaning stuff. Bananas apparently as well. So yeah. And the wife and an iPad. Hi wife. Right, I didn't know how much cheese to put in here, so I've gone with the as much as possible option. And what I've done is I've just toasted off, oops, the tops and bottoms of those just to warm them up slightly. And we'll put them together in the form of a sandwich, pop them in the monkey, and shut the lid. And we should be able to flip that over a little bit later on. Right, very low and very slow. So, bit of a knack to this. There we go. Quick spin, shake it down to one side. Let's pop the lid. Oh, there we go. Just starting to get a little bit of a... I wonder if the cheese is melting inside. Ooh! Ooh, yeah, there we go. It's all starting to kick off in there. So in the front there is our electric heater and some shoes. The blackout blinds are working a treat. But just a little point to note. So just a little point to note, in the evening when you've got the pop top up, it can get quite cold up in the roof area. So what we did is we shut the roof area, and then what we did is we took this and we just pulled this forwards, effectively making a seal so that the roof was down and the heater then only had to heat the bedroom space, and it didn't have to heat the roof, and none of that heat escaped. So that was all quite nice. Really made a big difference, didn't it, hun? Right, here it is then. Da, da, da. Oh my goodness, look at that bad boy.
It smells so good.
It smells good. It's not burnt. And hopefully with a bit of luck on the inside, yeah, it's not falling, it won't open. So I reckon if we cut that, there you go. Oh, look at that. Juicy, cheesy goodness. How is it?
It's good.
So this is a 16 amp mains connector, sort of standard camping connector. That just plugs in like that, and you have some little trip switches here. And as you can see, that cable goes all the way off to the van there. And so there it is, our electrics, which are literally fed through the little Beko wind deflector here, so that keeps the rain out if it's going to rain overnight. The little magnetic clip-in blinds there, and that boy feeds the heater, Google power supply, another USB power supply, another USB power supply, just general charging and that kind of stuff. What I haven't yet done is install a 12 volt power supply into this system so that it charges the battery. So every couple of days, because the fridge is using current, every couple of days I need to start the engine and go for a little drive. So far we've done about 3 or 4 days here, and the fridge has kept going quite well. Alright, so everything's just sort of bodged in place at the moment in a usual dubious sort of fashion. But underneath the seat there, underneath the driver's seat, is a very large 110 amp hour AGM battery, and that then is providing 12 volts at however many amps for lighting and the fridge. And here's the fridge, really cool piece of kit, does a really good job of keeping things frozen and also cold, and even has a little option here to set the door ajar like that. Why would you want to do that? Vent the fridge so that when you're finished using it, any of the smells that come from the fridge are dissipated and gotten rid of. It's a bit like a little burger van. Hi. Can I get kebab with chili sauce and chips, please?
Okay, 10 minutes later.
10 minutes?
Try to get them.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Right then, we've had a bit of a clean up, not too much, and it's time to find out. It's time to find out, are the chips still frozen? Certainly feel like it. Right, let's bust the chip out of bag. Here we go then, Co-op oven chips. Oh yeah, look at those. Absolutely solid. Frozen solid. Right, that'll do. Oh, it's spam, egg and chips for lunch. Spam, spam, spam. So I always try to use a lid when I'm cooking in the van. It just helps minimize the amount of splatter, and also keeps your pans acting a bit more like an oven. So if you just sort of regulate the heat really carefully, just keep the heat very low and slow, you'll find that you can get away with cooking oven chips in a frying pan. They take a while, but it works. Spam's over there, and the wife is going to go and buy some eggs now. Goodbye, wife. You need money. And there they are. Golden chips. Cooked. Right. Spamming it up. Look at that. Perfection. Mmm. Hug that wall. Wow, you're like a limpet.
There's a massive whole city block.
Oh, good job.
There's a massive whole city block. Whole city block. Whole city block. City block. City block. 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 Let's turn into a garden. There's a massive whole city block that's turned into a garden.